Bathroom enhancements. Small upgrades, big value. Bathrooms are another key area that can make or break a sale. Buyers want a space that feels clean, fresh, and spa-like. If a full renovation isn't possible, simple updates like replacing old faucets, upgrading the vanity, or installing modern light fixtures can dramatically improve the bathroom's appearance. A well-lit, well-maintained bathroom can add significant value without requiring a massive budget. New mirrors and updated hardware can instantly modernize the space. Frameless mirrors or stylish vanity lighting can give the bathroom a luxurious high-end feel. Swapping out outdated brass fixtures for sleek black, matte gold or brushed nickel finishes creates a more contemporary look that resonates with buyers. A fresh coat of light, neutral paint enhances brightness and makes the space feel larger. Walk-in showers and upgraded tiling are top features buyers love. If there's room for improvement, replacing an old bathtub with a sleek glass-enclosed shower can boost your home's appeal. High-quality tile work, whether on the shower walls or flooring, adds an elegant touch that makes the space feel more like a spa retreat. Even adding a rainfall showerhead or built-in shelving enhances functionality and luxury. Storage space is a huge selling point. Buyers love well-organized bathrooms, so adding floating shelves, under-sink storage, or built-in niches for toiletries can make a big difference. Simple, cost-effective solutions like stylish baskets, towel racks, or a new medicine cabinet keep things neat and appealing. A well-designed bathroom can significantly increase your home's overall value, making it a must-update space before listing.